So I let the building.
It's the cars on the mix loading.
I'm a bello machiaquana. If I pull a I will tell on a ticket to look in one of Fufulia. Kabunana Furiva Dima. Ofuna Mumofuchi at Yaka one name. Akanina Roma Fanchanos Yolo. Even Nayonis, Ogosia Mogosia Ibem. If all of us get Nasina Jayana, Wakeno Lisa, if for me, if Obilique no. Kaikeno Lisa, if for me, Obilique no. In my pile, I know one on
Oh yeah, that's why I get with that king born today. Oba Ezugo. Oba na the busy day.
Oh, busy man.
We're working at the best way in what Oba.
With
office.
That's what you said.
We're working at Luciolike.
Very busy.
Yeah, very busy guy. Can I be an office? Now the office there is very, very comfortable. Anything I need in I come on, I be an office. Now I'm time I went in office. Better. I can office in the chamber and say a quacker. No. I don't want them to come on each year. Oba
Ozo.
Mona Chief Ozuzu Obazu
Oh yeah.
Onwe Ezugo ifo Jimakia
Mera.
Oba.
Mera no bas. Always in Dulia, the normal boat to measure. No, man, even when them working.
Mune.
Oh, Mune me more. I have Oba Ezugo on Enugwu-Ukwu. Or can do tea. Cobia Ziegi Fozi. Chief Ozuzu.
Okay.
Eh? What's going to feed you? Where is Nadia needs to get so yeah, but quite feed you, yeah, because
Ofia. Yes. Oba.
Wow.
Ndị ọba azụ na agba aka ahụ nwata eze. And onye bịara na nga ọgaranya. Ebi ndị na ọwụ ọfịs gị ka anyị bịara. Very, very beautiful office. Reception, huge. Wee gagide gapụta gị n'ime ọfịs. Ihe a gakwa wee bata here awụ ihe nta. Ọ dịka onye chọrọ ịhụ director those days. Ị ga several places. Mana ihe awụ ọjọọ iji bịa. Mmanya na ihe sokwa ya n'ime osisi ya n'ime. Ka m kọwaziere gị ije. Maka ije a m bịara wụ ije ndị ọba azụ. Ọfịa ebigo n'Owerri. Ọma ka
Ebigo m Owerri.
Obigo Owerri. So o nwere idea. A na-akọwacha ihe niile o nwechara idea. Ụzọ esi aga be anyị ịnọ n'Owerri, o nwere ụzọ a na-akpọ Okigwe Road. Ị pụtara n'ahịa a na-akpọ Oji Market. You turn on left, straight. Ọ bụrụ na ụzọ ahụ dị mma, within 10 minutes in Oji Market irugo be m. Mana the ụzọ over the years aga, especially during the rainy season. You know, mechicha mmiri ju everywhere. So this Christmas, we got together with a group, Oba Ezugo Capital Project Development Association. A merry hand on Oza. The Ozo from Ojia to Riembiri were 5 kilometers. With 19 walking, one a connection with NDDC Sinoga 3. So, 402.
Wow. So
I decided there, NDDC be a Rocha 3. I put the remaining. We'll see about maybe. So, I seen at the cost, I get you wrote up put the two, our own costs. And the government and I wrote the different. Were 300 million.
Wow.
So I work on Obarakike High during the Christmas, quickly raised 100 million.
Wow.
So I see him as no one will attack. I go up there. I see na ebe ọ na-anyị emego ka anyị mara ma if we can reach out to our friends and well wishers. Ma ha ga-enyere anyị aka ka anyị nwee ike rụpụ ya tupu udu mmiri ebido. Luckily for us, ọ anyị na-eme convention na Charlotte this year. Ụmụ anyị the host here, the first generation. We're our generation, but the generation below us. They are doing a wonderful job.
Yes.
They're more organized. How want they make all the things by themselves.
I'm telling you.
So even the biggest thing I am worried, who will take over from
back. Oh my, yes.
Just to see them, it just gives us a ray of hope. So I'm Nauru na Raleigh-ing or the easier for me to bring my friends around
together. Yes.
When Charlotte, we're a little bit of a jump here. So if Moses cannot come to the mountain, maybe mountain can come to the Moses. So only we can join you one in Charlotte May 23rd. That'll be wonderful. What job is to support our road project or our convention? I go and zero.
Okay.
So I was Ozioma
Nkechi.
Ozioma Nkechi.
Ozioma Nkechi.
Wow. No.
No.
Omera.
Huh?
Kwa nwoke mgbogbo to me, in azo Omera mana nna akpọ ọgụ mmadụ ọra. No.
Mmadụ
ọra ka
yes.
So we're going to for
mmadụ ọra ka ewu. So no ije o.
Thank you.
You na chima makakwa. Very good thing. As a matter of fact, now my village now, a project, some similar project in Agakwa through. So when you're na Bombog, you can move on Maka, Bakwana Hamburg, I'm just kind of trying to.
I'm from Muslim now, but they are already
trying to put one and two together before.
Okay.
When I heard we don't go donation and all those things. Yeah.
At least in the Oba Ezugo in peace. When they raise it.
Yeah.
On your not just on your loom village, my name will go.
Yeah, I know
I guess good.
They don't go put it developed.
Yeah, my village now. At least I saw a little bit of
because village
Interlock.
goes to the bad.
interlock and everywhere.
Yeah, they're doing interlock.
Interlock because our landscape we call it.
Okay.
Now anytime I'm by Chapel Hill, it kind of remind me of my village.
Okay.
Healing, kind of very serene and beautiful.
Yes.
So if you can imagine, then what you're
Beautiful.
imagine
they don't see open.
Yeah.
Mama.
Yeah.
Mama,
So-
obodo niile ma mma na be anyị.
I hope now.
Everywhere Nigeria is just.
I hope now they will maintain that spirit, so that now some of us who cannot go on the sideline are demotivated to
come in.
So,
Yes.
So, but anyway, Mara,
Yes.
in a month, man.
Thank you. Thank you.
I will send a message across to you.
Thank you.
For me, both around.
I'm good. Urban away. God bless you.
Anyị nọzikwa na mgbubego ayada kwasị ka ịdatego onobodo jidokwu onye na-awe jidokwu ibe mmalama bụ n'ọchọ ya afụlịla ụgọ na chukwu nwa akala nkọ ka ya na-egejilili ibe n'ofife dolumanya na ada akụzikwa nje akụzi